A civil authority had issued a 911 telephone outage emergency for Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Queens, New York, effective until further notice. A Cadillac Limbo and a police chase have been discovered all across in these areas, driving across bridges while music is playing. Although there was henchmen on there with guns such as an AR, shotgun, and even sniper rifles shooting on sight. If there's any report of any of this going on in your area, please evacuate to a safe area. Do not use 911 telephones unless absolutely necessary if they're out of usage. Stay tuned to the station for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening emergency.